Hello everyone. In this session, we will explore how we can use this smart crop. In the previous session, we have already discussed how you can configure the smart crop by using the image profile. Once you are done with image profile configuration and applying that on a particular folder or folders, after that, you can see all the smart crops are available on all the assets. If not, then you need to again reprocess your asset and go with the full process. So it will again reprocessing all the asset and can generate all the available smart crops for you. If you still smart crops are not available, make sure you have applied the configuration on certain folder where you are looking at the smart crop options. Once smart crop options are available, and if you want to do some tweaks in the generated smart crop, because smart crop is using artificial intelligence, a sensei which is providing by Adobe. If you are not satisfied with the outcome of the smart crop, you can do the changes. And how you can do the changes? Open the image, any of the image where you want to do the changes, and go for smart crop option from the top menu. Once you click on the smart crop, it will show you all the smart crop options available like desktop, tablet, and mobile, which I have configured. And you can see the the blue border. It means that is something the focus area providing by the Sensei, and we need to do some tweaks on the available options or available generated smart crop options. How you can do that? Either you can select, for example, there are three different options on the smart crop. If you're not satisfied with the mobile one or tablet one, you just need to select the right option from the drop down. That is the one. Else, you can use this slider, which will give you a better option one by one in a stack. So you can go and see your images. For me, it is always good to just switch on a particular view. For example, when I'm talking about tablet, I want to do some changes on the tablet. As you notice, only the border that I can see with the blue border, this area I can move or do the changes if I'm not satisfied with the outcome. So either I can, move on the right or left. So based on my needs, I can move it. So this is how you can do the changes. Once you are done, you just need to hit the save button. So it means your changes will be applied on the top of the generated smart crop option or the rendition. In case you want to revert it, option is always available to revert it. So you just need to hit the revert and it will come back in the previous state. For example, if you are done with multiple changes, as I am, just doing multiple changes here and there, and if I'm reverting it, then also it is reverting. But once you are done with the save, for example, I am just moving this in which I'm covering the surfboard and clicking on the save. And if I'm coming back on this image, then I cannot do the revert in the previous state. So let's see how the changes are applying on the tablet view. So I did the changes in the tablet view. As you can see, the focus area is starting from the surfboard. In case I would want to do further changes in the smart crop, again, I need to go there, select the tablet option. This is the tablet option I want to see in a bigger screen. So I'm just changing. And if you look at the revert option is the same for from where I am starting with, right? It is not reverting in the very first state. So once the image is saved, it means it is keeping that as a baseline and we cannot revert back in the previous state. So this is how it works. And you can do changes and apply changes on a particular image or override the changes. So thank you, everyone.